There's one muscle that affects posture, balance, breathing, and even lower back pain. But most people never train it correctly. It's called the deep core, especially a muscle group known as the transverse abdominis. This muscle helps stabilize the spine and pelvis, and it activates during movement, posture, and breathing.
Most workouts focus on visible abs, but deeper stabilizing muscles are often ignored completely. A weak deep core may contribute to poor posture, lower back discomfort, and reduced stability during movement. Your deep core also works closely with breathing muscles. That's why proper breathing technique matters during exercise. Controlled movements and proper form are more important than aggressive ab workouts, especially when training deep stabilizing muscles. So the most important core muscle may not be the one you can see, but the one quietly stabilizing your entire body.
Please subscribe.